The brown one.
Can't wait to first finish.
Fast one.
Now let's see Greenie wins for the first time.
If yeah, I wish, but I'm pretty sure he won't.
It's just an X, but he only controls himself.
Oh, one already fell. It's the one you gave me, the black one.
That's okay, just turn them off. All of them are on anyways.
No, it.
Wait, all of them aren't on. It doesn't really look like a snowman. It looks like a...
Oh, yeah, not all of them are on.
Like a what? It looks like a duck.
Yeah.
I have a duck like
Tell me when they're all on.
They're not all on yet.
Well, these textbooks are anxious to fall off.
Now they're all on.
Good.
One already fell.
Wow.
I'm gonna count my hits first.
I changed it. Oh, it's... Oh, another fell off.
Jordan. Jordan. Yeah. I have 17 extinct animals because you gave me the yellow and the purple. Remember?
Oh yeah, that's
make
right.
a webkin snowman. That just all webkins are animals. That one looks like a duck one.
This is the duck.
I know, but this one looks like one. Just put them in the pile right there.
Greenie fell off.
Private.
Greenie's still on.
He's my I named him Squaw. His name is
Oh, Greenie fell off.
Skipper and this one. I'm naming them after It's kind of weird naming a little bit. Yeah.
I'm waiting for a Rico.
Rico?
Yeah, Rico.
Oh, penguin only. It's like... I ordered a backpack off the internet.
What does it look like?
It has a skull and a crossbone. And it has flames around it. It's gonna come next Monday after this week.
Oh, the orange is off.
Not this Monday's off.
killed Private! Oh yeah, the black's
Yes.
almost completely dead.
Oh, you take it. Wait, there's a hole in it. There's a hole in it. I think it's that thing. Or not. Look. Hey Jordan, you can set them up on the rocks if you like.
Well, I just gotta watch them.
But when they fall off. Woo! Help me. Help me, Ashley. Help. Help me, Jordan.
Black Orbit's almost completely dead.
Help me, Jordan. Please. Help me, I'm gonna fall off
Purple.
soon. Help. Did Greenie fall off?
Yes, he has. He's just too fast. That's why.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That was cool. I know.
Oh,
My camera. I have a black one.
I won that. That was lost.
Yeah. Mine was only like 30 tickets.
This is almost completely dead. The black glow in the dark. Not my new one though. It's my old one. Brownie fell off.
Oh. Oh. Ow.
Brownie's almost dead too.
Ding.
Oh, it's all the way dead, Lucas. The black.
Huh?
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Yep, it's almost dead.
Ding dong.
3 minutes. I better go check on my macaroni. Is it done?
Are you gonna eat?
Probably soon.
Jordan.
Oh, it's fast.
Jordan.
Yeah.
I had chocolate donuts today.
Cool.
Guess what? One was chocolate, just chocolate, and one was chocolate and blue sprinkles on it. Wait, blue frosting on it. They were cool. I only ate one whole one and only one half.